Excuse me, my car make a squeaky noise when I break it.
Smell like your car a market territory upon the wrong lamppost. If any mechanic tell you 600 for new brake system, them are teeth bigger than me.
What, so you say you rob me?
Listen, me not rob people, me give them the experience of being robbed. Very professional service.
So you any different for the scammers online?
Online scheme, I take your credit card, me take your cash, your trust, a couple parts out your car, and then your spare tire too.
What the rest me hearing?
If a mechanic never teach one part, him not certified yet. That's the graduation ceremony. But don't worry, you're in safe hands.
Sure.
All right, me try a little some. Go forward and press your brakes slowly. The struggle real. You sure you want a mechanic? Scrap yard further down the road.
Boss, car not start, it dead? Please tell me it's not serious.
Boy, your car not dead. It there in a coma. Give me one jump lead and it'll go wake up like Viagra commercial. Boss, me beg you, fix the engine, not my love life. This car suffering from low self-esteem, needs motivation. You sure it's mechanic shop me stepping up and not psychiatrist office?
Yo, boss, where my car there?
It round the back, make me still work on it, you know?
Yeah.
Really, cause I swear me I see you with the whole family in my car headed to church last Sunday.
Me just want to pray over my repair.
Me there inside the hospital family. Today are the big day. Me sign up for the Lion Me and upgrade. No more street mud. Me a jungle king now. You sight the ball dog go walk going down there. A neuter room in my head inna. But truth, him should have followed me for the main transplant. The photo on the screen now, that's how the doctor said me I go look after the transplant. Real alpha. Me got some eyesight problems too, but me deal with that later. Right now, me just want the main swing when breeze blow. Real. Me I talk to you when the surgery done.
Me there to give the anesthesia, Maximus, to make you drop asleep before the surgery.
Scene.
Sure, I can feel it take hold quick, you know. My head start float off already.
And don't worry, me I'll be right here for when you wake up from your uterine surgery.
What? Neuter. Bumbo clot. Gal them love me swing. Nurse, wanna carry catch me. This dog keep him balls like national treasure. Me sprinting faster than Bolt to save the family jewels. What that? Ball dog grow back fur and him rocking me lion mane.